Okay, guys, welcome to the traffic jam, otherwise known as Chiang Mai. I was warned about this before I went, and I wouldn't be surprised anyway. Thailand cities are known for traffic, even more than most countries around the world. Uh, but I was surprised the first 2 days I was there. Very little traffic, no issue at all. There was traffic, of course, but no stop and go like this. And then that changed. And for the next 7 nights, we were there for 9 nights, 10 days. Like I say, the first two were okay, and then after that, oh my god, all day, all night it seemed. The traffic never ended. A lot like this, just slowly moving, stop and go. It was not unusual to sit at the same set of lights for 3 or 4 green lights. Daytime, nighttime, it didn't matter. It seemed to start 6:30, 7 o'clock in the morning, and it stopped when everybody went home at night. This is coming into the city at 6:30 in the morning. Crazy, I tell you what. Just non-stop, right? I couldn't imagine having to do this all day, every day, trying to get to work, trying to get home, trying to go shopping, trying to live life. It's not for me, that's for sure, but it's quite popular in a lot of places. It's not so bad when it's just moving slowly. But when you're sitting there at the same lights for 2 or 3 series of lights, that gets a little frustrating. And one thing that I thought was very unusual, the lights in Chiang Mai don't have a countdown timer on them. I only remember seeing one set of lights that had a countdown timer. In most of Thailand, in my experience, the red lights all have a countdown timer on them, so you know when they're going to change. And you get used to that. Like I say, daytime, nighttime, all the time. A lot of traffic on this road outside the shopping mall here. Good place to have a motorbike. A small motorbike. They didn't have to wait for four green lights before they got through, that's for sure. Check that out. That's 2 giant paintings being carried down the highway on a motorbike. How do they do it? I'm just stopped on the side of the road here at 7-Eleven. All day, every day, right? Normal life. Welcome to the city. Well, that's about it, guys. You get the idea. If you're interested in Chiang Mai and these kind of videos, I have a website link in the video description. All my Chiang Mai videos are there. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you like this video, give it a like. But yeah, if you're interested in Chiang Mai, check out the Chiang Mai page on my website. Link is in the video description. And as always, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. This is the kind of traffic I can handle. Highway speed.